Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we are going to do an unboxing of this TP-Link Wi-Fi extender. Actually this Wi-Fi extender will support a dual bandwidth, and here's the speed they are given. Here you can see for 5 gigahertz it can goes up to 867 mbps. For 2.4 gigahertz it can goes up to 300 mbps speed, and this model is RE305 guys. And here you can see here they are mentioned works with any Wi-Fi router. Yeah, it's good. And okay guys, let's come on, it's now time to do an unboxing. Let's first I need to open this cover. Actually the guys, this Wi-Fi extender I have purchased in amazon.in. Actually this Wi-Fi extender cost us 2099 rupees. Actually the original price is 2299 rupees. It's around 2300 in Indian rupee, but for due to it's a Great Republic Day sale. For due to Great Republic Day sale, just we got some discount, and I purchased this Wi-Fi router at the price of rupees 2099. And okay guys, let's come on, let's it's no time to do unboxing. Just I'm opening this box. Let's see what they have given inside this box. Yeah, it's good. Let's see, quick installation guide. And here you can see guys, first they have given a quick installation guide to set up with this video, and there's the installation steps they have given. Okay, just keep this aside. Afterwards, what they have given, nothing. Yeah, there's the TP-Link Wi-Fi extender guys. That's it. There's the one. There's nothing inside this. That's okay. Let's take this out. Here you can see guys, actually the design looks very good guys. It's very small and compact. Actually it's good. And here you can see here they have given power light and signal, 2.4 gigahertz signal indicator and 5G indicator. Here's the WPS button, and here's the two antennas. Let's open it up. It's good. You can see, just simply plug and play like that only. 3 pins they are given the back side of this. It's good guys. Okay, and here's the installation steps which they are given. And okay guys, regarding this video, that's all. I will upload separate video for this Wi-Fi extender setup. I will create a separate video guys for that, and it's just an unboxing video guys of this TP-Link Wi-Fi extender. And okay guys, heading this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you're having any queries or documents, just ask in blog comment section. Definitely I will reply. And do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos guys. Let's bye. I will see you next video.